Hello my darlings, welcome. Today I got super easy thrift flips for you. So, for my first thrift flip, I got this red glass jar with this beautiful vintage looking top and I'm gonna just remake it. I'm using a Cavern moss terracotta paint from FolkArt since I'm a Plaid ambassador, and I'm just gonna paint this glass jar, going all over it. And look at this beautiful transformation. With just a little paint, something old, you can make it look very high-end. And also I put a clear wax just to protect the paint. And voila! It looks beautiful, I think. Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of Third Thursday Thrift Flips Open in White Challenge hosted by my two amazing friends, Tammy and Elizabeth. Tammy from the Rusted Willow, she is creating beautiful home decor thrift flips, hauls, anything you like you can find in her channel. Also, Elizabeth, Southern Gmore Gals, beautiful home decor thrift flips, any kind of home style you can find at her channel. An amazing playlist full of super talented creators friends. So after you're done watching my video, links in my description box and lots of inspirations in there. For thrift flip number 2, I found these two vintage frames from thrift store and I'm just gonna refresh them up and make them look beautiful for our home decor. I'm cleaning them well before I apply some paint on them. I'm using the same Cavern moss terracotta paint for the frames, and I'm just going all over with the brush around the frames. While you watching me painting these frames, I want to remind you, don't forget to watch our Easter Around the World playlist because we have 4 huge giveaways, and for you to enter you still have time until March 25th. So please check us all out and see what kind of beautiful creation we made on that video as well. So back to this project, I'm still going all over the frames, make sure it's all covered and looking perfect, and look at all those details on the frames. Brass frames, vintage, I am so in love with them. You gotta let me know, what do you think? Do you like them? Have you find vintage things like this at your local thrift store? You gotta let me know. After the frame is painted, now I'm painting it inside just to refresh the look. I'm adding a Cashew Waverly chalk paint. And here they are, ready to be hung on the wall. I'm really loving them. I really like this color. And for my last thrift flip, I have this gold box, also from thrift store, and I don't like the bow on top, so I'm trying to just get rid of that metal bow on top. It took me a while, but it was successful. I use all the necessary tools just to remove it. I fight it with the bow a little bit, and after a long fight I won. I just removed the bow just like so. And now my box is ready to be painted. I'm also using the same Cavern moss because this box is gonna be next to the jar and next to my two antique frames. I'm just going all over this metal until it's all covered. My box is ready to be decorated. You can put some greeneries inside. I also added some fall books that I made in my previous projects. And look how beautiful it looks. Something simple, you can make it look very high-end for your home decor. You gotta let me know what do you think. And here it is, the final reveal from all my thrift flips that I made today. I didn't do much with them, just a little paint and a clear wax, and you can make a complete transformation and it's gonna look very high-end, vintage look, very expensive, and I think I only spent approximately $15 total for these items, I believe, maybe less than that. But look how beautiful it looks. I didn't want it to touch the cover for the jar. I left it as it is. I really like all that detail in it. I didn't want it to put any transfer stickers on or anything. I just wanted to make it plain and beautiful. And the whole combination with the greeneries and the box and the frames, I think it's a win-win. You gotta let me know, what do you think? Before I let you go to finish my final reveal, don't forget to check out my amazing ladies, Tammy, Elizabeth, and super talented creators in the playlist. Tammy and Elizabeth, thank you for having me to this amazing challenge again this month. And until next time, my darlings, thank you for our wonderful comments you're always leaving me. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. I'll see you Sunday. We have 2 amazing videos coming up this coming Sunday. And lots of love. Bye-bye.